Today I'm going to show you how to put reinforced handles on your kayak. I have a cheap kayak from Menards and it came with very cheap handles. So I need to put these on so that I can transport my kayak on the roof of my car, or so I can just drag it from one place to another and feel secure about the handles. This is what you're going to need: a reinforced handle kit, or you can go online and find whichever ones you like. Now I'm going to show you some of the tools you'll need. You'll need a drill bits, socket set and wrench, some wrenches, a screwdriver bit for your drill, screwdriver, and a Sharpie marker. So let's get started. Alright, so one of the first things that you want to do is you want to eyeball up where you're going to have to put the screws. This one here on back, I like to mount like this. So what I'm going to do is give it a look like that. Take my Sharpie marker, and mark it right there. Do roughly about the same thing for this side. Hold it nice and tight in place. Take that Sharpie marker and mark it where you want to go. Looks pretty even to me. So now that we have our marks, we can get our drill bit. And drill holes. Now that we have our holes drilled, make sure that you put these reinforced washers on there, like that. Same thing here. Like that. Get them in there like that. Take your reinforcing washers and your bolts and put them on the other side as well. Like so. Pop your drill bit off. Put on your screwdriver bit. Grab your wrench. Reach inside. Put the wrench on the nut. And slowly tighten it down. That side seems good and tight. This side seems good and tight. Let's see if we can fix this here. There we go. Might have to back off it a little bit here. There it is. Nice and tight, just double check. By hand, make sure everything's tight. Good to go. Now you got your first reinforced handle installed on your cheap Menards kayak. These handles right here, they weren't cutting it for me. I don't trust them. Definitely can't trust them to tie anything down to my car or my SUV with. So these right here, if I wanted to, I can hook a strap in here and tighten it down and put it on the roof of my vehicle. So we're good to go. Now, basically you install the one in the bow the same way, except for you install this one long way at the bow, and I'm gonna get started doing that right now. So for this one, I'm going to have to get inside the yak to tighten these down, just like I did with the other things on here. So I'm gonna get inside here and tighten this down. You guys hang tight. So there you go. Now your handle, reinforced handle, is installed on your bow and your stern, and you're good to go for transportation on your vehicle, or just dragging it through the woods to another pond. You can feel secure about these handles. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, fish on.